guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll see how we can set up Bootstrap into our HTML project. Let's begin. So this is the editor. First of all, we'll move to the Bootstrap. So here getbootstrap.com, and then we have docs here, and here get started with the Bootstrap. So this is a quick start where you will create a index.html file in a project. And then here to include Bootstrap CSS and JavaScript, we'll be using the CDN links. So we'll just copy this and add it in our project. Opening our project, I have created a file index.html. I'll open. So we have nothing in the project right now. Let's paste. So I've copied this and pasted here. So you can just go through like what each of these line mean. So you can just scroll below and see here. So right now it's like we have already seen this title, and this is the link of Bootstrap CSS. And if you want to give your custom CSS, you can also link that here. So I have a sheet called style.css. So if I want to add this here, tab, so give a link and then your file name. So we have already seen how to view the output of this HTML file. So if you are new and just watching this video, we have to navigate to the folder, copy the path where your file exists and paste here, enter, and then directly we have to open the index.html file. So this is what we get here right now. So we have got this. This is the JavaScript of Bootstrap, which should be above your body tag. And here is a hello world. So this is how you set up Bootstrap's CSS and JavaScript. Now let's add a class here. Using Bootstrap CSS, we will change this hello world to hello color, like text. So Bootstrap uses a keyword called text warning. So this will change here. So if you want to make it red, it uses danger. Refresh. So you can just navigate here, move on here, and you can see what are the color options you have here. Like we can just go directly here. So primary means blue, secondary gray, green is success. So these are the colors what you can see. And if we just want to see with the button tag, just will right click me. And if you want to color this button, again refresh, you have here. And then if we give here class for the button, so we have to give class like btn primary. So primary is nothing but blue color. So here it changed to blue. And if you want to move this in between a bit, so we can use like margin 4, save, refresh. So this is how we set up Bootstrap CSS and JavaScript into our HTML project. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.